Just keeping y'all up to date. I was able to ship out those University Blue Jordan 1s to Raphael. Here I am at the post office, getting everything ready, and he received them on April 12th. Now let's find out who won the Silver Toe Jordan 1.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What's up? It's your boy, AJ1. I know why you're here. You know why I'm here. Let's figure out who won the Silver Toe Jordan 1 giveaway. If you're not subscribing already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. And while you're at it, you might as well hit that like button as well. Feel free to share this with as many people as possible. And thank you for all your support. Friendly reminder, my only account is _JSOLE_. If you see anybody else rocking my logo, it's a fake account. Please make sure to report and block. Before I announce the winner, let's take one final look at the Silver Toe Jordan 1. The Silver Toe Jordan 1 looks very much like the Bread Toe Jordan 1, except for where the red appears on the bread toe, we've got silver in its place. The materials feel great on this. The leather seems to be of a high grade. Comes with a nice Nike Air hang tag. I'd actually be showing you on-feet shots of this, but your boy forgot to claim his pair from Wish ATL. Probably one of the worst mistakes I've made all 2021. Now that we've taken that final look at the sneaker, let's go ahead and announce the winner. The winner is Renz Via Briga. Congratulations, my boy. Big congrats to him. The rest of you, I'm sorry you didn't win. In terms of tips for winning these giveaways, make sure you check out my previous giveaway videos where I disclose exactly how each and every winner has won, and hopefully you'll be next. Now in terms of the next giveaway, starting on Tuesday, tomorrow, we're going to launch the Red Flint Jordan 13 giveaway. That's a dope sneaker. But let's say you're not into that. Let's say you don't like 13s at all, or you're just not into that colorway. For the first time ever, we're going to give you the option to cash out. Let's say, you know what? J-Soul, I'm not really feeling the sneaker. Cash me out. I got you. We're going to give you $300 cash to be delivered to you either via PayPal or some other electronic format, and you'll be able to get that money within 48 hours of me announcing your name on this channel 2 weeks from now. We understand this is a very tough economic situation for the entire planet. Some of us are doing worse than others. So now if you win, you can win cash. That's just the stuff that we're doing to continue to evolve, to make sure we're meeting the needs of our following and our subscribers. Thank you for your support. And on that note, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you for your time, and I will see you the very next time. Peace and love.